there. I got people staring at me. That's okay. But I'm at Hornady Park, Petersburg, Indiana. Now, this is my first time fishing in Indiana. Actually, it's the first time fishing in about 2 years. I'm here doing another video, but I just want to take time, thank everybody for the support of the channel. We're getting close to that 10K mark on YouTube. That's very important. That's a big deal on YouTube. 10,000 subscribers. I think I got about 600 more to go. My female viewer percentage is 28.6. YouTube likes you at 30. So if you're a female, then subscribe. Maybe subscribe twice. But I can't thank you guys enough. I've had people send me stuff, not just companies, but personal people who send me gifts. And I appreciate it. Stuff for me to review. I'm out here fishing thanks to a subscriber, long term. I'm sorry, buddy. Long time viewer. He likes the Blue Dog videos and the cooking videos. I didn't bring Blue Dog out today because it's like 90 degrees and it's 3rd of July. The pavilion / shelters are all rented out except for maybe one. There's a lot of people here. And I didn't know if I was going to get a spot in the shade. I didn't want to have them out here in this heat, not being in the shade. We're on the duck side, so you might see a duck pass by. But I'm going to add some clips at the end of some interesting things I've seen when I got in here. The video quality is not all that great because I'm just learning how to use this thing because it's a new setup, new mic, new camera. But I did my best I could in the short time period I had. But yeah, I can't thank you guys enough for all your continued support. And if you can, if you're watching this and you watch the videos, subscribe. You don't have to necessarily click on the notification bell, but that will let you know when I put up a new video. I'm starting to ramp back up a little bit. I got so much, I got like 5 or 6 videos I got to get edited out, not counting this one. So I'm working on getting more videos out for you guys. I've been doing one a week, and I enjoy doing the videos, but I've just been so busy, especially with it being summer and yard work and all this. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. Thank you. Let you know I'm out enjoying the fishing pole and reel and all that. If you can subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to get one decent casting for you guys. I'm getting a little bit better. I'm a little bit out of practice. It's down a little bit of a hill. That's why you see me kind of flinch forward. Okay, I'm gonna get off here, enjoy my day. May have some more people staring at me. See them stare at me a little bit more, it's kind of cute. But anyhow, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. I think it's up here in this corner. Thanks for all your support, and as always, most of all, I'll touch you're gonna say it for me. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm at Hornady Park in Indiana. See if I can get a good view of this guy. Right there he is, right there. Right there. I haven't seen one of these herring since I moved here. The ducks are still here, of course. Where's he at? There he is. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Just I haven't seen one. And I thought it was cool just coming in a small town, small pond and seeing one. Where's he at? He's here by these rocks somewhere. Alright, I'm going to get off here. I just wanted to share that with you real fast. Thanks for watching.